Hi students, in our last class we have discussed about the constitution, meaning of constitution and the British rule and the Indian national movement. Basically, in our last class we studied about the causes of Indian national movement. Why Indian national movement was occurred in our country. Out of few causes, in our last class we discussed British colonial rule. British colonial rule and socio-cultural awareness. Socio-cultural awareness. And the third one we discussed is the Great Revolt. So, in continuation of today's lesson, we are going to discuss few more causes of Indian national movement. And the next cause is the English education. It is the another cause for the existence of the Indian national movement in our country. So, you know that in the year 1935, the British government introduced English as the medium of education. So, some of the middle class leaders go through the books of the few political philosophers like Bentham and Adam Smith. Like these people are the few political philosophers. They have written few books. So, after introduction of English as the medium of education, our middle class national leaders go through the writings of the Bentham, Adam Smith. They going to find out few basic core values which are related to the people in their general life. Generally, these core values are the liberty, justice and equality. These are very important for the sustenance of the human life. At the same time, our national leaders recognized that Britishers are following these core values in England. But at the same time, there are discriminating Indians following dual standards so that they wanted to create the awareness among the people of India. They educated the people regarding about these core values. So automatically people of India inspired and ready to participate in the Indian national movement in our country. And the next one is the economic exploitation. Economic exploitation. Generally, the Britishers done the exploitation towards to the Indian society. They wanted to establish the colonies in our country and wanted to transform our raw material towards to England, and there by using industries they used to produce the manufactured goods. Such manufactured goods then they transport to Indian market. In this way, they transport our country as only a raw material exporting country. They not only done that, for their goods they have created so many kinds of the hurdles among our artisans. They used to tax on Indian goods. Not only that, as it is prepared by the manufactured by the industries, the cost of production is less, so that they used to fix the prices very less also. Because of all these conditions, the Indian artisans lost their professions. They quit that profession and entered into the agriculture. But we know that agriculture is already overburdened. Because of that, so many people lost their livelihood. Because of this, artisans, farmers, all other irritated, frustrated and ready to fight against the British government. As soon as call was given by Indian national leaders, they have joined in the Indian national movement. This is the another cause. In this way, transfer of the raw material to England and producing manufactured goods has been described by Dadabhai Nauroji as the drain of wealth. This is one of the important theorem in economics and civics also. And the next one is the press. You know that press is nothing but called as the media. That is especially print media. During Indian national movement period, there are so many dailies, journals are organized by the people of our country, especially Amrita Bazar Patrika, The Hindu, Patriot. These are the journals which exposed the attitudes of the British and created the awareness among the people of Indians. By seeing that the people participated with patriotism, participated in the Indian national movement. In this way, during that period, press played an important role in the creation of the awareness among the people of our country. And the next one is the repressive rule and acts. Rule and acts. You know that the Britishers' policies are always repressive. They used to repress the people, crush the people by preparing different types of the repressive acts. Out of them, the Vernacular Act, it is one of the important repressive act. In local languages, the publishing of media has been banned or abolished. that is related to the Vernacular Act. Like that, you know that Rowlatt Act, this is also one of the repressive act. According to this, without saying any reason, the Indians can be arrested and detained. With these repressive acts, the Britishers used to crush the people of our country. So people become irritated and participated in the Indian national movement. Thank you. Few more causes we will discuss in our next class.